Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Bluetooth streaming audio, easy key, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, power tilting steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Edmunds.com adds the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.